Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Today I just want to do a quick video and show you how to deadhead your geraniums and explain why you deadhead your geraniums. So this particular geranium I deadheaded last evening. So as you can see, it's pretty full of blooms. Doesn't really need to be deadheaded. It's got a lot of blossoms. They're ready to come out. A lot of new blooms about to start here all over the plant. But this one over here needs some deadheading. Okay, so to deadhead a geranium, you want to take off, if you want to keep getting a lot of these blooms, a lot of blooms, you have to deadhead. And the more you deadhead, the more blooms you're going to get. I feel like I get 2 blooms every time I deadhead. So this is a flower that's passed. So to deadhead that, you don't want to just pull off the flower. You want the whole stem. So I snap it right down at the base, right at the bottom, right where it meets the stem. I snap that off, okay? And that's it. Okay, so you just got to go around your plant. And if you see any yellow leaves are bad. If you have a yellow leaf, you want to take it right off because there's something in the leaves, some kind of chemical it produces that makes the leaf next to it turn yellow. And pretty soon you'll have all yellow all over your plant. All your leaves will be dyed. So I'm going to reach in and take this guy out here as well. It's in the middle. Okay. So you want to get them all. You want to get your yellow leaves. You want to get all your flowers that have gone past. And I'm going to grab, I usually deadhead in the evening when I do my evening water. I'm going to deadhead this one as well. So you can see it's lost its petals. Lost most of its petals there. So we're just going to take that off. And that gives a chance for all these next ones to get some new blooms. Okay, and that's all you do. That is all you do to deadhead. You just take in, reach in, and pull the bloom off at the stem. And then you'll get more. You'll get more and more and more. And this one needs to come off too. So let's take this one off. And you're like, oh my God, you're pulling all your flowers off. No, you have to do that. It's called deadheading. You deadhead your geraniums, and then it'll come in nice and full, like this one. Okay? That's all there is to it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day.